This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 2, Understanding the Communicative Environment, DII. The expert narrator begins by introducing the second part of the course on understanding the communicative environment, providing insights into effective communication and analyzing factors that influence information exchange. An overview is given of the upcoming topics to be covered in this section of the course. The narrator recaps key points from the previous session, highlighting how culture and context shape various modes of communication, and establishing a conceptual foundation necessary for exploring communication skills. Learners are informed about administering communication skills self-assessment surveys to identify personal strengths and weaknesses, with class scores to be shared anonymously and reassessed later. The focus shifts to the core elements of communication, emphasizing speaking, listening, and interpersonal exchanges, while briefly touching on new technologies and texting etiquettes. Verbal communication is explored through the dimensions of listening and effective speaking, covering aspects like voice modulation, emotions, and implications for assessments. Nonverbal communication, such as facial expressions, postures, and gestures, is discussed, highlighting their role in conveying emotions, attitudes, and revealing internal states across cultural contexts. The paralinguistic aspects of speech, including voice modulation and intonation, are examined in relation to expressing emotions and their connections to facial expressions, postures, and gestures. The significant role of culture and context in shaping soft skills and communication is emphasized, leading to an exciting and topical area for potential collaborative research. The narrator explores the communicative power of music and its ability to convey emotions, meaning, and cultural identity, with plans for group activities analyzing these aspects. Visuals are highlighted as a dominant and persuasive force in modern communication, enhancing the overall process and integrating with audio to create multimedia and interactivity. Visual illusions and metaphors are discussed, demonstrating their potential to manipulate perception and convey symbolic meanings influenced by cultural context. The impact of new media, such as blogs and social media, is introduced, emphasizing their interactive, networked, and highly engaging nature in shaping communication landscapes. A summary is provided, reminding learners to complete the previously mentioned communication skills survey and reinforcing key takeaways from the course material. The narrator concludes by reiterating the dynamic nature of communication shaped by culture and context, the importance of self-assessments, the significance of nonverbals and paralinguistics, the powerful roles of music and visuals, the influence of visual illusions and metaphors, and the reshaping of communication through new interactive media. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.